Mamu dende. Mamu dende.
So, abofrani D. Levy. D. Levy, what Banatina say?
Mamu dende. Doom so dende. Doom so dende. Levy o dende. Levy o dende. Welcome to the Political Round to be the voice rising on Ghana SMTVGA. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Yeah, mommy. Yeah, Nia. Yeah, sister. Afia Swa nigga. Why naming ceremony? Ama. The latest tax are. Yedi share or say be use African for botum. Yes, tax there. On say baby why friend computation. That's a computation mono. Yeah, me a health personality. Me because our computation say me dadam. Now this is the issue. NDC 4 Ena Omuka say Akufo-Addo aban, including Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia and Ken Ofori-Atta, they are the most wicked people, wicked politicians ever in the history of the Republic of Ghana. NDC 4 Asiedu Nketia kan, Mustafa Gbande kan, Otokono kan, Erika Gbana, omu nyina omuka. Enti omuka asa no, Ghana for say ani adena sika mi wana mi share me mobile money account mo. Na person me send ma obi a say bru 100 cedis aban beji 1%. Che say me send 100 cedis ma obi a aban beji me say 1 Ghana cedi. Ghana for be say omu nti ase. Enti enam sa de ne so na Ghana for be break to about MP prom say get out of here. Mu free akrokra na yade na mu pay tax dodo. So sir, okay. NNPP for free aban them. NDC for buy. When NDC came into power, omu vetting for all ministers na omu appointee. Ato force nka say, ade biara ekoso, we don't need any new taxes. They were not going to introduce any new taxes. Okay? But what they were going to do, he was going to use Zimbabwe. And I said, okay, Zimbabwe. Also, but using Zimbabwe approach of raising taxes and all those, and no ato force and be using. And say, and no, ena obey use ya, and or be raising, and I say amassing revenue. Right? No problem. Use that. Okay? That is what you have said. After all the friends saying budget echo parliament honum somewhere in April or home so one car tax or the tax but like they were not really as you know. Endra sanko parliament honum and I told first or assembly beka agent last and this MPP for say assembly only me train across the Devi a agent. They say or the buyer and a certificate of agency. All right, I told first let's hear you out. Or see, for every liter of fuel, Alberto Sesiano, or no at 2 force or here 1 Ghana cedis was 1 Ghana cedis. And more sugar grano. Say a calculated percentage now. Would you calculate live? With you live when you say Koneko Besa because medium me mass yakakra and 12 Ghana cedis, okay? 12 Ghana cedis goes into is 100%. And 2%, what percentage is the 1 Ghana cedis? 1 Ghana cedis will be how much? So what you will do is that, where's my calculator? Oh, and this is for my calculator now. Okay, my calculator. So what you will do is that you do 1 times 100, 100 divided by 12. Divided by 12. Good. And almost slappy 8%. So what is that? What this means is say Ghanaians, have said no to 1%. and now they are going to pay 8%. Now, do you know the funny aspect? Funny aspect in say you can decide not to put money to send, but full is not something that you can decide to get or not to get.
Dilevi, suya kasensuo sanswa kasensa. Wabano Dilevi. O papa ye nipa kesiye. Ni di John Jamani Mahama. Sanso na mama ye nipa kesiye. O mama nso ne John wabu container. Dilevi wabano ba ye kesiye sa o papa ne o mama. O papa ne o mama o kanu kra ba ku sei. O ensu. O kanu kra ba ku sei. No kra ba ku sei. Ebi ni o mu. Dilevi wabani betwantro magana fo say 1 cedi bia 1 cedi Dilevi na Ghana fo say omutua 1 cedi $100 100 cedis so a too much wunua na wo free mu 11 no but omu betua 1 cedi 12 cedis so na omu sendoko je etira ba ye mu akwa Snase, Yeshua, Yesudimu, amen. Congratulations to all of us. Congratulations. I said, yeah, Yemi na yawo, Afia home, Afia ba, na bani di the same, Dilevi. No, NSD forecast, Uboni di, answer na yawo, no, eh. Oh, wani dum so levier. Isaiah moani no washe come say. Ye be yi levier fiwo near the fofra be sha. Now wait ye fire for fire Levi. A class captain. Isaiah come say no. Washe come say. Yeba benibia mamo yeba tuni dinsa dum so levi heavy Mahama is a ho he gives you ho he's a ho for dum so Ghana Jam is the congratulations to everybody. Sorry, baby. Sorry. Oh, Jesus. Sorry. Hey!
Ebia, you want to go and burn some bush, you will need 1 liter of fuel. Trot fuel, they need fuel for the cars to run. Until they will go and buy the fuel, pay the tax, and they can put it on you, the passenger. So everybody, tax way, new tax way, everybody is involved. Obiabe tuebi. Now we the whole no. Mahama is the whole amotu separate no enu binie. We na mudi be say na yebu omai. Say we na Ghana for se mope. Ayo, mo amunde jereye.